Wood composite, or WPC, is an artificial material that is obtained by combining natural wood fibers with a polymer-based resin. Wood composite is durable, antiseptic, eco-friendly and recyclable. It is produced by hot extrusion of natural fibers of wood or chips pulverized in a special resin composed of polymers and additives. This material is highly weather-resistant and being used for outdoor furniture and floorings. Wood composite is an ultra-modern material. This project is considered to be high-budget venture, with great profitability. This lecture describes various aspects of WPC including pros and cons. Economics of the WPC manufacturing project are presented in a separate lecture. The main components for wood composite are wood and polymer. WPC can contain 70 to 80% wood. The rest is the share of polymers and various special additives. Wood plastic composite parts are obtained by extrusion or by injection molding. This material, being water and chemical resistant, is now used in various fields of construction and furniture. It significantly reduces the amount of wood needed for its applications, making it an environmentally friendly product. This is supported by the fact that fewer trees need to be felled, and it is also recyclable. Although it has better mechanical strength than natural wood, however, these characteristics are not currently such as to allow it being used for structural applications. It is more durable in comparison with wood and wood-based panels. It has improved fire resistance and rotting due to humidity. The comparison between specifications of natural wood and WPC shows that WPC is fire resistant besides having almost negligible maintenance cost. However, it has quite higher price. WPC does not need any special care or coloration. The products made with it are almost maintenance-free. The fact that wood composite does not discolor makes it a product that you can use with complete peace of mind in outdoor environments, without having to fear that it will be damaged, from an aesthetic point of view. Durability of WPC is more than twice that of wood. There is no chance of insects invasion on WPC. In fact, it reduces the use of the wood itself, so allows to cut down fewer trees. Its manufacturing process does not release polluting substances into the environment. The fact that it does not require maintenance treatments with oils or paints further contributes towards environment conservation. Wood polymer composite also does not require the stain that regular lumber does, triggering greener building practices when creating sheds. Using wood plastic composite offers you various advantages. The most important include the fact that it does not discolor and protect it against stains. WPC benches have a perfect finish thanks to an invisible clips installation. When thermoplastic polymers are used, it can be recycled at end of life. The life expectancy is around 25 years. While wood composite has many advantages over wood, it still has some disadvantages, as it cannot be repainted. So color scheme of the setting remains the same for many years till it is replaced. Better to be warned. In the event of strong exposure to the sun, composite wood can therefore be a little too hot to walk around barefoot. The most common types of wood composites and their popular products are flashed on screen. Scope of chipboard application includes the manufacture of cabinet furniture, flooring, interior partitions. MDF is used in installation of suspended ceilings, manufacturing of furniture, doors, creating lathing for roofs of houses. OSB boards are used in the furniture industry and in construction for roof lathing plus attic floors. WPC is a modern, improved material that has found wide application in construction, interior and exterior decoration of houses, cars, yachts, etc. The price of composite wood is determined above all by the quality of the raw materials contained within. This slide shows general manufacturing flow of WPC in pictorial form. Charge comprising of wood powder, polymer resin and additives is pushed through an extruder to form the planks or pipes. The chemical engineering flow sheet is presented in the slide. This slide shows various steps in producing WPC products taken up by Chinese company HEGU. Important web links are flashed on the screen. Stay tuned for future courses on offer from Technology Education and Mentoring Center.